I'm going to pull up the fire alarm. Yeah, I pulled up the fire alarm. Yeah, I pulled up the fire alarm.
Memy, did you behave yourself?
Yes.
Let's watch the news.
Hello, and welcome to GNN News. Today's top story was that a fat kid who pulled up the fire alarm at school.
I know who did it. It was Memy9909. Memy, I just know that you're going to be grounded by your parents.
That's all for now. Bye.
Memy, I can't believe you pulled up the fire alarm at school. That's it. You are grounded for 999 billion years. Now go to your room right now and go to bed.
Well,